But look, what I'd like to see Canada become our 51st state.
The acquisition of Canada this year will be a mere matter of margin.
Before morning, the Canadian village will be reduced to
They
ashes.
burned the entire village. We lay in the snow watching the houses burn.
We don't need them for anything. Be 100% certain that they become a state.
But the Americans, I did not make them. They are not my children, but the children of the evil spirit. They grew from the scum of the great water. They are numerous, but I hate them.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fuck.
Now, I'm a feller with a heart of gold with the ways of a gentleman, I've been told. The kind of a feller that wouldn't even harm a flea. But if me and a certain character met, the guy that invented the cigarette, I'd murder that son of a gun in the first degree. Now, it ain't 'cause that I don't smoke myself. I don't reckon they hinder your health. I've smoked them all my life and I ain't dead yet. But nicotine slaves are all the same at a petting party or a poker game. Everything's gotta stop while they have that cigarette. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Puff, 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 and if you smoke yourself to death. Well, St. Peter at the Golden Gate, that you hates to make him wait, but you just gotta have another cigarette. Now, in a game of chance the other night, old Dame Fortune was doing me right. The kings and the queens, they just kept on coming around. Then I got a full and I bet it high, but my bluff didn't work on a certain guy. He just kept on raising and laying the money down. Now, he'd raise me and I'd raise him. I sweated blood, I got a sink or swim. He finally called and then didn't raise the bet. I said, ace is full, pal, how about you? And he said, well, I'll tell you in just a minute or two, but right now I just gotta have a cigarette. Smoke, smoke, smoke that cigarette. Puff, 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 and if you smoke yourself to death. St. Peter at the Golden Gate, you hate to make him wait, but you just gotta have another cigarette.